Welcome to the Wi-Tek Solution channel. We will explore standalone wireless solar CCTV, efficient monitoring without cloud connectivity. After this training, you will learn which equipment is suitable for an outdoor solar CCTV project, as well as some basic product selection principles. The introduction of this solution includes 4 parts: solution requirement, network architecture, product recommendation and key feature, and bill of material. Part 1 is the solution requirement. How can we still meet the customer's needs in an outdoor CCTV project without grid power and internet at each monitoring point? Wi-Tek's solution helps meet your customer's needs. It's ideal for highways, dams, suburbs, farmlands, forests, deserts, and national parks. Line of sight is a fundamental requirement since we use wireless transmitters for video streaming, and the solar panel and battery status are read through the solar-powered switch. This solution does not support cloud solar. The above scenarios are assumed, and the actual scenarios can be changed as required. Part 2 is the network architecture. Here is the network architecture for efficient monitoring without cloud connectivity. Using point-to-multipoint for wireless bridge connection between each monitoring points and monitoring central. And there is no need for cloud or internet access in the monitoring central. The third part, let's explore the product recommendation and key features. Next are all the wireless long-range transmitter recommendation stars. All of them are recommended with 3 stars. As for pairing up each device with the same frequency, so you should be notified that the model's WI-CPE110 kit and WI-CPE111 kit are 2.4 GHz frequency. Compared with traditional wireless offers several advantages, including pre-configuration, pole and wall mounted for easy installation, no need for digging, piping, and threading. All 3 advantages bring short construction periods and lower project costs. The next key features include -30 to 70 degrees Celsius operating temperature, 6 kV voltage surge protection, 1 to 5 km transmission distance, and IP65 waterproof. The third feature is fast pairing. You can do quick pairing by setting matching group numbers on the LED screen, allowing CPEs to auto-pair without web configuration. Next is the solar-powered PoE Switch recommendation stars. The model WI-PMS306GF UPS-I is a Layer 2 management, solar-powered PoE switch. It provides a 15 amperes charge current for maximum, and a 500 amperes per hour battery capacity for maximum. The first key feature of a solar-powered PoE switch is a built-in MPPT controller, which enables the switch to connect with a solar panel and battery. No additional controller is required. Multiple PoE types out, and it adapts to various types of PD terminals. The next key feature is visible web management. It supports visible battery and photovoltaic working status in real time. The next part is the IoT Box recommendation stars. We are more likely to recommend the model WI IoT Box 02 and WI IoT Box 03. It depends on the size of battery and the switch. Our IoT Box supports multiple features, including built-in fan, anti-theft design, pole, wall, and floor mounting installation methods, firm structure, modular installation design, IP65 ingress protection, lightning protection, dust-proof, and anti-corrosion. Last is the monitoring central switch recommendation. The model WI-PCES306G version 2 and WI-PCES310G are Cloud-Easy Smart PoE switches. The only difference is the number of ports, due to the number of devices. The next features are unique values for the CCTV network, including Extend Mode, PoE Restart, ONVIF Detect, and Alarm Notification. At last, let's explore the bill of materials. Here is the bill of materials for the Wi-Tek standalone wireless solar CCTV solution, efficient monitoring without cloud connectivity. The equipment quantity and design principles can be changed according to the actual situation of the project. Thank you for watching this episode of the Wi-Tek Solution channel. If you find our content helpful, Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with more exciting content. Your support is our motivation to keep updating. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.